have never did a video. I have never done a vertical video on YouTube, but I've done this for IGTV, and I think I want to start doing more IGTV videos specifically for Instagram. So one of my widest searches from my former maiden name, Latoya Codner, is what is my Instagram? So it's at Latoya_Ebony. Just like this channel, I have changed it, and I just want to show you guys what I posted on Instagram and invite you guys to come over because I'm gonna have some short, quick tips like this on Instagram. And this is how you can get a high puff very easy, because we all know that these things right here, either they're too loose, too tight, you can't wrap them twice, you have to wrap them too many times. And if you have thick hair like mine, I have a little trick.
Hey loves, now we all know the story. You've got an old twist out that no longer looks like a twist out, so you decide to put it up in a luscious high bun. So you carefully moisturize your edges so your hair isn't dry, and then you pick and fluff your hair to get the biggest puff possible. This is me, to a T. Then you smooth the hair up to the crown of your head before you pick up your elastic hair tie. This is the hair tie. It's not too big or too small, so you think you can smooth your hair up and simply place it around your full fro. And it goes a little something like this. We are not quitters, so we double wrap that hair tie and attempt to squeeze it over our afro. Go, 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 go. Oh. Third time's the charm. And sis, I don't want you out here struggling in these streets, so let me show you a little trick. Take your hair tie and a straight pin. Your straight pin, it should look like this. Pick up your hair tie and pretend my finger is your hair. So we're going to take that elastic band and create a horseshoe shape around the hair. Then loop one end of the hair tie through the other. Then, with the open loop, straddle the straight pin through and use the straight pin to secure the ponytail. Let me show you how this actually works. Smooth your hair up into a high puff. Now take your time, we don't want any breakage. Now stretch that elastic hair tie around your ponytail, making that horseshoe shape. Now once you've got both ends to the front, loop one end through the other and hold. Now depending on the size of the elastic, this could be easy or difficult. Mine is small, so we're on the struggle a little bit. Once you get that end through, then take your straight pin and make it straddle the loop, pull it taut, and then stick that straight pin into your hair to secure the elastic. That's it. Very easy. The hair tie stays in place and you won't risk struggle or breakage when taking your hair down. Now this trick is perfect if you're in a pinch and you don't have anything else. Now rock your puff and go. Bonus, how to easily refresh a protective style.
Hey loves, it's Toya. It's time for me to refresh my hair. You know, I did this a couple days ago. I will have a tutorial. I think I might already have a tutorial up on YouTube for this style that was inspired by the short film Hair Love by Sony that won the Oscars. So definitely go check that video out. But y'all see what's behind me, right? I got some new products from Carol's Daughter. They sent me their Goddess Strength collection, and you guys, oh my god, I've been using Carol's Daughter since 2010 when I first went natural. This was the very, very, very first brand that I ever used when I big chopped my hair. That was 10 years ago, so you guys know I'm excited. I love Carol's Daughter. I've loved them. I'm gonna use the leave-in conditioner and the oil to sort of freshen up the front, because you know, after a couple days, y'all, it starts looking crazy. So let me just get into this. This feels good. Oh, I think I want to do a bang. I'm really excited about this line because I have breakage right along my hairline. After I had my son, my hair fell all the way out in the front, like edges literally snatched. Normally I use my leave-in on damp hair, but today we're gonna try something new so my hair can really drink up this leave-in. Then I'm gonna seal it in with this oil. So now what I'm doing is band 2 knots in the front. And my goal with this style is not to have like a long flowing bang in the front. It's actually meant to be undefined, puffy, and shrink a little. I want to take advantage of my extreme shrinkage. I have type 4 hair and it knows how to shrink, so I use that to my advantage at times. Okay, so I'm gonna sleep with it like this and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, I'm back, another day. So I've let these sort of marinate in the night and I'm just gonna take them out. We'll see how it goes.
You're one and only.
I basically gave myself very soft, undefined, sort of natural looking bangs, which I prefer. Sometimes I just want it to be natural, kind of fluffy, you know.
This one needs no explanation, just water and maybe a little oil. Refreshing a wash and go is so easy, it just takes 5 minutes. I like to experiment and show you guys new things, but really, natural hair care doesn't have to be that hard. And for those requesting to see my son. Wow, look at. Wow. It's so fluffy. Oh, cool kid. Oh, wow. Yeah, cool kid. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I love your hair. Mommy loves your hair. Ooh, look at your hair. Oh, yes. Yes, you look so handsome. Yeah. Say hi. Hi. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Get the other side. Why are you pushing me down? Rude! Oh no! Oh no, rude! Hey, it's not yours.
No.
To all my new subscribers, hey! And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you like this video, I guarantee you will like some of my others. So click on any of the videos you see displayed, and I'll see you on Monday.